This is vintage Pioneer SX780 receiver in very good condition. Let's see how it's working.
Over to the puppies, cuddled them up. They settled right down, and that's where they found her in the morning. Just being a mama. You just can't take the mama out of anything, can you? Here's Zach Williams.
But my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of, boy, make me believe. Whoa, hold up, girl, don't you fall.
You have.
And acting, yup, look a little closer. Yeah, that's us in the Millennium Testarossa. People taking pictures, blowing our cover. Paparazzi gonna get you one way or another.
In better antenna. So this vintage nice Pioneer SX780 receiver. Works great. Thank you for looking. Good luck.